I'm Srijan here. So today I'll be talking about the database development lifecycle. The database development lifecycle is a systematic process followed to develop a database from scratch that is efficient, secure, and meets the needs of users. It consists of several stages that work together to build, maintain, and evolve the database over time. In this presentation, we will discuss the 6 stages of the database development lifecycle. The first stage is database planning. This stage focuses on defining the overall objective for the database project. Here, the scope of the database is determined, and the key stakeholders identify their needs and expectations. Planning involves deciding on resources, budget, timelines, and general approach for the database. It also helps in evaluating which technology, platform, or database management system will be used for development. A well thought out plan will lay foundation for the entire database lifecycle. Next is database analysis, where we gather and analyze the data requirements. In this stage, the goal is to understand the needs of business or users and translate them into detailed specifications. This includes defining the type of data to be stored, how they will be used, and identifying any relationship or constraints. Interviewing with users, survey, and existing system reviews help in collecting this information. The outcome is clear and comprehensive set of requirements that will guide the next stage of development. Once the analysis is complete, we move on to database design. This is a critical phase where we create a blueprint for the database. The design phase involves both conceptual design, which outlines the structure of the data and how different elements relate to each other, and physical design, which specifies how the data will actually be stored in the DBMS. In this stage, we define the tables, columns, relationships, and any necessary constraints. A good design ensures that the database will be efficient, scalable, and easy to manage. After the design comes implementation. This is the stage where the actual creation of the database takes place. Developers use the chosen database management system to set up tables, input data, and write code to support database operations such as queries, updates, and deletions. The implementation phase turns the design blueprint into a working, functional database. Testing during this stage ensures that the database operates as expected and any bugs or issues are fixed before going live. Once the database is implemented, it moves into the operation and maintenance stage. Here, the database is put into full operation and users can interact with it to perform their tasks. In this phase, regular maintenance is necessary to ensure smooth performance. Database administrators monitor performance, backup data, optimize queries, and ensure security measures are in place. Over time, the database may require updates to fix bugs, add features, or address security vulnerabilities. This ongoing maintenance keeps the database functioning optimally. Finally, we have the growth and change phase. This stage focuses on adapting the database to the changing needs of the business or users. As data grows, new requirements may emerge, such as handling larger volumes of data, incorporating new technologies, or adding new features. Database systems must evolve over time to keep up with growth and changes in the business environment. This phase involves scaling the database, making enhancements, and adjusting the systems as necessary to ensure continued effectiveness. As a conclusion, each of these stages ensures the database is built to meet user needs, performs well, and adapts to change over time. The database development lifecycle is essential for developing and managing database system that is reliable, secure, and scalable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this overview of the database development process helpful.